Hello everyone, we are Rhyolite Group and our presentation about Sakurajima Volcano. Sakurajima is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and can erupt more than 1,000 times a year, spewing ash kilometers above the volcano. It formed when the Eurasian plate collided with the Philippine Sea plate. It is an active volcano, which is the toxic gases and the ashfall will ejected from it. And the continual ashfall and the toxic gases from this volcano will cause respiratory problems such as asthma. Sakurajima volcano created a volcanic rock which is pumice. This volcano is a stratovolcano, which is composed both from pyroclastic and andesitic lava, and it is ejected huge quantities of pyroclastic material.
Researchers study different departments of geology active volcano, which is geophysical, geochemical, and hydrology. The cultural significance of Sakurajima volcano to the local community is facing volcanic hazard that has become an identity of the local people, as well the volcano helps local economy by providing tourist attraction such as hot spring resort that are near to the volcano. The local government of Japan share awareness of living near an active volcano by conducts campaign drills and evacuation exercise to educate the residents.